Not gonna lie, it's been a hot minute since I did a YouTube video, but don't think I haven't been collecting stuff because I picked up a lot of pairs, especially in this sneaker model, which is why I'm able to do a video on my collection when they were literally all purchased this year. But yeah. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker video, and this is my entire New Balance 992 collection. Look out for the heat. So yes, as I said, it's been a minute since I did my last YouTube video, but I've been going crazy collecting pairs still. Got rid of a bunch of sneakers, ones that I had doubles of, pairs that I wasn't wearing anymore, just had no reason being there. With that money, I managed to cop all these New Balance pairs that I'd seen over this year, I guess, and last year, maybe even before that I'd wanted to get. So went through it, got them all finally. So let's fire through and show the 992s that I've collected. I think some of my friends have seen most of them, but some haven't seen probably all of the ones that I've got. So let's go. So to start it all off, the pair that I got first, had to get it first, and it is, boom, the New Balance 992 in the classic grey colorway. You cannot go wrong. The shoe is just super fire. Lovely grey, super comfortable. Once I got this pair in hand, it's kind of what set the ball rolling on going crazy on these pairs. Because originally I hadn't planned on getting this pair as my first pair, but before I got the pair that I needed to get on resale, I was like, I need to see what these fit like, because I'd heard going half a size down, but I hate going half a size down, it doesn't fit. So I tried to get these, and then when I got them I was like, these are staying, and they're still here. So yeah, that's the first pair. Next up is one of my more recent pairs actually, another GR, because New Balance kill it with the GRs, and it is, boom, the black and grey New Balance 992. Materials as expected, super premium. The black is just like so jet black. Coming from someone who like buys Yeezys and stuff in the past, when a shoe's black, you never know what it's going to be. If it's going to be like a brown tint or a purple tint. This is jet black and super fire. Saw these, had to pick them up. Shout out to Tom for getting me the link to these, but I think they're out on most websites now, so if you want to pick these up, you can still get them. And even the greys, they restock all the time on the New Balance UK site, but I've noticed in the USA and stuff, seems a bit more scarce, but what are you gonna do? Next up, another GR in a very bright colorway. Boom. New Balance 992 in the yellow grey colorway. It's kind of like a mustardy kind of grey. Super fire though. It's got the 3M hits going around there. 3M New Balance logo. Premium nubuck throughout the shoe. Mesh toe box. Saw this colorway, had to pick it up. I haven't seen these in the UK much, but I managed to get these for retail, under retail actually. So a nice come up on this pair. Nice bright, and one for the summer. And my last GR pickup, although all of these could pretty much be collabs, you could stick a name on it and they'd be even more fire. But it is, boom, New Balance 992 in the sort of burgundy colorway. This release was a kind of a weird one because when it first came out, I couldn't find it anywhere. I was looking on StockX, couldn't find it anywhere. Only places I was seeing pictures of it was on Asphalt Gold, the European site, German site. I believe it was an Asphalt Gold exclusive for Europe, but I know they came out in America elsewhere. But I ended up getting these anyways, and the colorway is just, every time I see this on my feed, somebody else, I'm like, I need to get these on my feet because they just pop like crazy. So purple and grey, fire pair. Another pair that could easily be a collaboration pair if they just chucked, even if it was Asphalt Gold and it just had like the logo at the back, they'd be even more sought after, but it is what it is. Next up is my first collaboration pair to show you. It's a pair that came out I think in 2020. Really didn't think I was going to end up getting this pair because the prices were crazy, but you move some stuff about, move some money from Zurich to here to there, and it somehow works out. And yeah, it is, boom, the New Balance 992 Jound in the grey colorway. They call it grey, but this is grey. This is supposed to be grey. It's not grey. This is more of like a, it's like a brownie, almost kind of greeny. It's a weird colorway, but it's super fire. And as I said, like with these collaborations and stuff, what is really that much different compared to like the GRs that I've shown you? Not much. Instead of having the 3M, we've got some nubuck on these sort of panels, and obviously it's got the Jan logo at the back. But materials are so premium in all the pairs that they make. It could just be another pair, to be honest, but the colorway's fire. Super happy to have these. Super dope pair. Next up, another collaboration pair, and it's more Jound. Shout out to Justin, shout out to Mikey. Them guys really convinced me that I needed this pair because they're just, this colorway is just absolutely beautiful. The Jound in the green. I just didn't see myself ever having this pair because the prices just seemed out of reach, but as I said, things happened and it happened, and yeah, super happy to have these. Premium green suede, again, none of that 3M on the little bits here. It has the suede here, mesh on the toe box, New Balance logo in black, Jound at the back, fire shoe. Next up, we're getting into my Kith bag. Shout out to Ronnie Feig, the GOAT, and we have, boom, Kithmas in the red colorway, Feig at the back there. This pair is lovely. I loved the tumbled leather on the New Balance logo there, and you also get tumbled leather on the tongue there where it says Kith. Super nice pair. All of the Kithmas pairs come with hella laces. I've gone for the white lace up on these. They come with a red lace and also a black. I think the red looks cool because it keeps it all sort of like in one color, but I think the white makes it has a nice little little transition of color in here. But it's got grey tumbled leather on the tongue, Feig at the back, as I said. Super firepower. These came out, I think it was US exclusive only. People that were bought from Kith before got an email to collect them. Obviously I didn't get one, but we got it in the end. Now next up, you guessed it, boom, another pair from the Kithmas release in the teal colorway. We got Feig on the back again, this crazy teal colorway. Again, we have the tumbled New Balance logo, which is super fire. The tongue this time doesn't have a tumbled tongue, but it's in red. Again, with Feig on it, with Kith on it, sorry. This pair is lovely. This colorway is so beautiful. I have a similar-ish colorway in my Sauconys, and I've wanted more pairs in that colorway because they're just super banging this teal. And yeah, second pair from the Kithmas pack, must-haves. And now another pair from the Kithmas pack. I had to do it. Well, to be fair, this was the first pair of New Balance 992s that I wanted, but I copped the grey pair to see what the sizing was like before I pulled the trigger on these, because this colorway, insane. It's got this sort of burgundy purple going on, and you've got blue around here, the tumbled leather on the New Balance logo, tumbled leather around this part here on the mesh, Feig at the back, pink tumbled, pink nubuck on the tongue, and it's got Kith and 3M. Poof, bonkers. Again, these come with 3 pairs of laces. Comes with this teal laces, a pair in pink, which matches the tongue, and another color. Which color was it? It might be burgundy or might be white. I can't remember now. But I went for the teal laces to have some sort of little touch of that teal. But if you see from all the Kithmas pairs, they all kind of have hints from one. So you've got the teal on here, obviously represent the teal on here. Then you've got the red on the tongue here, representing the red on this shoe. Then this one is kind of a bit of an outlier because it's got that purple, which isn't on any other pairs, but it's super fire. And yeah, one of my favorite 992s for sure. Next up is a pair. I saw it on one of the New Balance groups because I just, as usual, I totally missed the release of these, and I was like, yeah, I need these. Chatting to my boy Mike and Kicks, and he was like, Ash, these are fire, and I was like, I know. Then I had to get them, and it is, boom, New Balance 992 Todd Snyder's. He went crazy on these. He went absolutely crazy. The materials are mad. It's like in this sort of brownish, gives it kind of Timberland kind of colorway vibes. Then you've got the duck camo all behind it. White New Balance logo. I nearly said swoosh there. Relax, boy. And what's crazy is it has like infrared hits. Hair, At the back where it says USA, the 992 on the tongue. They went absolutely mad on this pair. Absolutely crazy. Like, really happy with how they came out. Again, another pair that I didn't think I'd really see myself getting, but I've gone crazy, as you can see. But yeah, really like this. And last but not least, if you take the grey 992, the yellow 992, and you mix them together, you get, boom, this pair right here, which is probably, am I saying it's my favorite? It's in the top 3 for sure. It is the New Balance 992 times Nice Kicks times Amoeba Music. Wow, I think this is maybe, I think collaboration wise, the only pair that came out in 2021. It was a shop, it was a Nice Kicks exclusive release. This pair's nad. I saw it on IG, I can't remember which account posted it first, and I was like, is this shoe a real shoe? Is it like a made up shoe? Someone done like a custom on it or something? But no, it was a shoe that came out, and it literally went from, I see the picture, to like a couple weeks later it came out. Super happy to have these. Shout out to Tom as well, he's got this pair, and shout out to Mikey, he's got the other colorway which is super fire. But the other colorway is like teal, black and beige, and because I've got the teal Kifmas, I was like, I don't need it. Technically I didn't need it because I've got the yellow and greys and the grey pairs, but I had to do it, it's fire. It's strange that they come with like teal laces, but what's more strange is that it somehow works. You get the teal hits at the back where it says, what's the same, this pair says music. I believe the other pair says Amoeba on it. But yeah, super fire, super duper fire. And that right there is my New Balance New 992 collection. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. I should hopefully get back to doing like single reviews here and there when I can, but it's tough, new baby in the house and whatnot. Time is scarce as it is. I'm only able to do it now because the wife is taking the kid out to do baby yoga, and I've got a free couple minutes where I don't feel like I'm upstairs when I could be helping them out downstairs, you know. But anywho, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, dope pictures, posted pretty frequently. I'm out. Later, y'all.